Hi, welcome to Happy Living. Keep smiling and stay happy. In our cooking series, today we are going to check out a new Telangana style kurma with cauliflower and aloo. Come, let's check out the recipe. 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 green chilies, 1 small piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 1 tomato, but that is optional, 1 small cauliflower, 3 potatoes, 5 cashew nuts, 1 cup of grated coconut, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of couscous or the poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of dhania or the coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 elaichi, that's optional, 2 biryani leaves, 1 teaspoon of sajeera, 2 cups of water, and some coriander leaves to garnish. With veg on the menu, for the non-veg lovers, instead of the veggies we can include 500 grams of chicken, and while adding chicken, please add extra green chilies. Add a tablespoon of oil to a pan or a kadai. Once oil turns hot, add the chopped onions. Add ginger and garlic. Add coriander seeds and fry well. Add green chilies and stir well. Once onions are fried well, add coriander leaves. Stir well and grind them to a paste in a mixer. Grind the couscous, fennel seeds, cashew nuts, coconut in a mixer by adding water little by little and make them to a paste. A small tip: fry the couscous and fennel seeds slightly to grind well in a mixer. Soak cauliflower pieces in hot water and add a little salt to it so that the worms come out easily. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan or kadai. Add cinnamon, clove, biryani leaf, cardamom, sajeera. Once spices pops out, add the cauliflower pieces. Add chopped tomato pieces. Add chopped potato pieces. Now mix well. Veggies should be fried nicely. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now add the green chili paste from the mixer jar. Mix well until the paste spreads evenly. Add salt and mix well. Close lid for the veggies to get cooked and stir in between. Add 2 cups of hot water. Close lid for the veggies to get cooked. Once reached the boiling state, Add the coconut paste from the mixer. Once the raw smell vanishes, add the coriander leaves. Cook until oil separates out like this. The dish is ready to be served hot. Recipe is also available at the description below. Thank you. See you soon with another delicious dish. Until then, it's your Lata Shravan signing off.